In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or show the buy-sell panel in TradingView. This simple process will help you customize your chart view to better suit your trading style, so let's dive right in. First, let's focus on the desktop version of TradingView. Once you have your chart open, you'll want to locate the trading panel. This is usually found at the bottom of the TradingView interface, and accessing it is your first step. You'll notice the panel provides a variety of options and information about your trades, but today's goal is specifically adjusting the visibility of the buy or sell panel. After accessing the trading panel, your next step involves navigating to the trading settings or preferences. To do this, look for a gear icon or a menu labeled Settings or Preferences within the panel. This is where TradingView allows you to personalize your settings according to your needs. Whether you're a frequent trader or simply like to keep a tidy screen, these settings will help you achieve the look and functionality you desire. With the settings menu open, your focus should now shift towards finding the buy-sell buttons option. Depending on the specific version and updates of your platform, this may have a slightly different name like show buy or sell controls or trading buttons. Once located, you'll notice a checkbox alongside this option. This is your main control for the panel's visibility. If you'd like to keep your chart clean and focus solely on the data, simply uncheck the box. On the other hand, if you prefer having quick access to buy and sell options readily available, just ensure the box remains checked. It's worth noting that TradingView often updates its interface to improve user experience. So if you're having trouble finding any setting, be sure to look around and explore any updates that might have slightly adjusted these paths. Remember, the key here is flexibility. Adjusting your trading environment to match your workflow and preferences can make a significant difference in your trading efficiency. By taking these simple steps, you can efficiently control how the buy-sell panel is displayed on your TradingView chart. Whether you're hiding it to declutter your workspace or making it visible for easy transaction access, you've now mastered a valuable aspect of customizing TradingView. Keep exploring the platform for more settings that can further enhance your trading experience. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.